Welcome to Designs.ai. Today, we're looking at how to use chat to supercharge your productivity, solve problems, and generate creative content. Because different tasks require different types of AI brains, Designs.ai lets you choose your model. You can select from top-tier models like Claude, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Grok, and Minimax. Pick the one that best fits your workflow. Next, use chat templates. Templates are ready-made prompt starters you can click, customize, and reuse. Great for repeatable tasks like brand writing, SEO planning, ad copy, content calendars, and business strategy. Let's build a brand from scratch, a vegan dog food business. We gave the AI a role, clear requirements, and the exact format we want back. That's how you get better results. Click the globe icon to turn on search. This is perfect for pulling the most relevant, up-to-date information straight from the web. For deeper, more analytical work, like compiling insights across multiple sources, turn on deep research. It's designed to do a more thorough, step-by-step investigation and then bring you back a structured answer. Once you have direction, chat can generate real brand assets, like a brand rationale, SEO keyword themes, or a brand kit outline. That's the workflow. Build your brand foundation in chat, pick a model, and use templates to move faster. Turn on search for quick web answers, or use deep research for deeper analysis. With that, you'll have the clarity and the assets to start your business confidently with Designs.ai.